In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to download Canva for PC. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open any of the browser in your device. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now at the top you can see the search bar, type your Canva, download for Windows. Now here at the top you can see the link for downloading Canva for your PC. Just click on this option. Now here you can see the option of start download. Click on it. Now at the bottom left corner you can see the app is being downloaded. You have to wait for a few seconds. After it is downloaded, you have to install it and it is ready to use. You can see that it is downloaded. Now you have to just click on it. Now click on install anyway. You can see that it is being installed. After it is installed, you just have to open it and it is ready to use. In this way, you can easily download and install Canva for PC. If you found this video helpful at the end, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.